Yes.
Hi. Can you stay in the vehicle, please? Do you have your ID on you?
For what? What's it?
I'm just checking to see what's going on here in the library parking lot. It's closed.
Okay.
You have ID on you, sir?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Do
You're
have,
not in any trouble or anything.
Do you have ID on yourself?
Yes, I do. My name is Officer Reese.
Okay. Sure. I'll exchange names. My name
What's your
is
name?
Hines.
Hines? Hines what?
What? Reese what?
Pua.
What?
My first name is Pua.
What?
What's your first name?
Pua?
Yes.
What? Is that like P-U-O?
P-U-A. What's your first
P-U-A?
name? How do you spell Hines?
Okay. Yeah, my first name is Travis.
Travis? Okay. Heinz, how do you spell Heinz?
Oh, it's like the ketchup bottle.
Like H-E-I-N-Z?
Yeah, with the E.
Okay. You're just chilling here tonight?
Well, not all night.
Okay. I'm just wondering because your window was down earlier, so I was just kind of concerned that, if everything was okay.
Okay.
All right. If everything pans out, everything's all good. Just wanted to make sure that you're okay.
All right.
All right. You from Washington?
Where are you from?
Hoy. You from Washington?
Where are you from?
Hoy. You from Washington?
Is that a country?
No, it's part of the United States.
It sounds like it's your first name again.
Yeah, it's a different.
What?
It's a different name that you're used to, probably.
Yeah, what part of the
Sir,
United...
can you just do me a favor? Just stay in the vehicle, okay? Sunnyvale 31 Robert. You ready to copy a plate? Okay, Washington plates, Adam, Queen, yellow, 5545. Copy. Can you attempt to match?
Match what?
It's going to be approximately 20s or 30s. Do you normally just hang out here? Travis?
Huh?
Do you normally hang out here at the library?
What do you normally do?
I do my job. That's what I'm doing right now.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You're doing your job?
Yep.
What kind of job do you do?
I'm investigating.
Investigating what?
Your activities.
Oh, okay. Hey, friend. Ten four. Copy. I'm code 4. All right, Travis. Well, you have a good evening. Okay.
All right.
Just wanted to make sure everything was all good. Window was down, so I just wanted to make sure that this is your vehicle and that you're good to go. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Travis. Have a good one.